In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the pros and cons of buying job lots of Lego, of whether you get them from eBay, if you get it from Facebook Marketplace, if you get it from your charity shop, if you get it from a garage sale. I'm going to be showing you stuff I picked up along the way, stuff I found, the benefits of buying job lots, and also the cons of buying job lots. Because at the end of the day, it's a gamble because you never know what's in it. But that's also why you can find the good stuff. And also, I bought another job lot. So in this video, I'm going to be going through it and showing you guys hopefully some profit and hopefully some Lego sets. Let's get into it. So I'm just going to show you guys an example of an eBay listing of a auction of a job lot of approximately 10 kilograms of Lego. So this is a job lot that finishes in about 4 days. So it's got quite a long time left. 5 bids, £31. So I find most of my job lots of eBay because I've preferred to use it. I've used it for years, and you sort of look for it in more detail on Google, what's in the pictures sort of thing. But the key thing you're looking for, what I personally look for when looking at job lots, is minifigures, what sets you can sort of see in the job lot. Then if you know, oh wait, there's a real rare Star Wars set worth 60 quid. Okay, at least I'm going to bid up to 60 because I know that one of the sets in there is worth 60 and it could be more in there sort of thing. Or what minifigures are in there. So like this one here, for example, you're looking at these pictures, you know, you can sort of see you've got some like trees here and stuff, and you know, it's just a bit of a Star Wars spaceship, something. Then you go down, and I can see here is all these minifigures, like all these Star Wars minifigures. I can see stormtroopers. I can see a lot of Star Wars. So I know straight away, as you can see, I've already hearted this one. Like this is going to be a good one to buy. So the most key thing, or I always look at when buying job lots of eBay, is minifigures. Even if you're buying them just to collect, not just resale, it's the stuff you're interested in, sort of thing. Because at the end of the day, it is a gamble. Like I bought this. Funny enough, one of these job lots I bought had a lot of fake Lego in it, sort of thing. So I had to sift through all the fake Lego while sorting it out. Well, it takes time, but at the end of the day, in what I'm showing you later on in the video, there's a lot of good stuff in this job lot. So you can lose, you can win, but that's the whole point of buying a job lot. You know, you're spending less money to make more money, sort of thing, or to find better sets for cheaper. So yeah, this is what you're looking for, is mainly minifigures who you can identify to sets and all that sort of stuff. But this is one I bought. So this is the pictures I saw straight away. I saw all these playmats sort of thing, all this like stuff here, like I see complete sets. I looked in, I saw a minifigure head. That's a fake one, of course. So straight away I knew, right, there's fake in this. Be careful. There's minifigures there, vintage minifigures. See, I can see more there. I can see this. I think that's from Harry Potter, and that looks complete. And I only paid £62 for this, so I got a good deal. And I saw like a plane wing here. I seen more minifigures, and I thought, right, okay. It was a bit of a gamble, this one, to be honest. It was a bit of a reluctant buy because there wasn't anything like this one that really stands out. Like, look at R2-D2, is all these from Hobbit, Phase 2. Yeah, there's some really good stuff in this one. This one would be a one I'd probably spend more money on. But, you know, I took the risk because that's the whole point. You got to take the risk to find the best one. But let's get into the Lego job lot behind me and see what I've got in there. But I thought I'd show you guys what I look for when buying a job lot. So let's get into opening the job lot and going through it. Let's get into it. Right, so I have took the box apart, and the last 2 days I've been going through this job lot of Lego. So this box here was basically filled up right to the top, and it's right at the bottom now. And I've got all the clears, the windows here, because I think I've got the police station looking at all this stuff. All black parts in there, with the white parts in there, and this is all the, look how many of them I got, tons of them. And also, so I've been slowly going through and finding sets, and I've been building the pirate ship here. Look, from the, you can see the code there, 6057 1992. That set's from there. I've got all the minifigures in there. Really good, to be fair, really good condition. And I've been going through all these and organising it as I go through, and then building stuff with it like this to make complete sets. Because of course, more complete sets you have, the more money you make from it, because complete sets always sell for more than not full and complete, all that sort of stuff. That's what you're looking out for in job like this, is complete sets basically. So I've been going through putting grey together, red, yellow, all that sort of stuff. But as you can tell, I haven't actually fully gone through it all yet. But let me just go and get the rest of the sets and show you what other sets I found in this job lot quickly. Another thing as well I like to do whilst going through job lots, what I recommend is organisation, because then you know what you've got. You're going to build the sets back to their full set basically. But this one's really good. So as you can see in the picture I showed you online, is that you've got this pretty much complete without the minifigures. Is any problem? A lot of these haven't got the minifigures, but it's not the end of the world. But yeah, got that, and I think that's from the Lego Batman. That's from Lego Batman, Lego City. But look, you can see I wrote all on there, the numbers and stuff. All sort of like, I say props. I always put on there like props. Also a massive bag of horses, a dragon in there, horse with the armor on and stuff. I know like 5 horses go for like 20, 30 quid on eBay, and I think I've got like 10, 15 in there. And then like I said earlier, this set here is probably complete. It's got no instructions, no box. Easy 30 quid, 25 quid. You know what I mean? It's all money. And this is a, I believe it's a, oh, I wrote on it there, haven't I? A Star Wars Resistance Y-Wing. So there you go, because I didn't know, I forgot what that is. Because I wrote it on there, I now remember what it is, so it saves time. So I've got a Star Wars Y-Wing in here from, did I write the date on it? No, I didn't write the date on it. I'm not that organised, but yeah. So yeah, so basically when going through the job lot, you want to make sure you're organised, you have put stuff into tubs, and then as you build it along, because all the colours are organised, it takes you a lot less time to rebuild all the sets than go through like that big box over there. It will take a long time. So it's taking time to save you time basically. But yeah, so leave comments down below, leave a like, any comments is appreciated, sort of thing. Anything you want me to guys to give you tips. I haven't been doing this long, so I'm still learning. So a lot of people out there are doing this years and years. So any tips you want to give me, sort of thing. But yeah, so definitely made hopefully more than £60 out of all this sort of stuff when it's fully rebuilt. And I've got all the minifigures as well, because somewhere I think in here, no, somewhere I've got all the minifigures as well. What came in there, and I've binned all the fake stuff because I don't want to see that. All right, get that away from me. So right, in the next video I'm going to show you guys the profit I made of this and what I sold, all that sort of stuff. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.